Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you basically how to switch from business account to pro account on TikTok. So if I open up my TikTok, so basically as you can see my TikTok feed is here. Now if I go to my profile and I want to switch my account from business account to pro account. So yeah, if I click here on the three dashes and go to setting and privacy, and after they go to account, now it'll take some time to load up, but as you can see there is a switch to business account option, but there is no switch to pro account. So why is this? So if you have already a business account, you can just click and switch to personal account, but you can't go to pro account. So recently updates have rolled out for TikTok, a lot of updates, the UI, a lot of changes to the UI, and a lot of changes to the features have came. So if you switch to a pro account, you're going to find a option here called a creator tool, right, or creator suite. So that feature is not here. So basically what TikTok has done now is you don't need to switch to a pro account to have that feature, or basically you don't need to switch to a pro account at all. What you need to do is go back and click on the three dashes and you'll find that creator tools right here. If you click on here, you're going to find the analytics, the creator portal, and the Q&A right here. So you can just click on creator portal and all the stuff that you had back then are going to pop up right here, as you can see, right? And similarly you're going to go back and you're going to find the analytics right here. So basically with the new update, they have removed the need of going to pro account just to find the analytic. You can just use the personal account itself and have that tool. Basically you don't need to go to the settings, you just need to click on the three dashes, and then after that click on creator tools, and you are here with all the tools that you had basically back then with the creator. You need to switch to a pro account